Hey, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to the Tuya Smart RFIR Remote Control Wi-Fi Smart Home Infrared Controller. This incredible device is a game changer when it comes to controlling your home appliances with ease and convenience. First off, let's talk about the amazing features of this universal IR remote control. With over 4,000 brands and 50,000 plus IR codes supported on the cloud, this device has a massive IR code database, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of home appliances. Not only that, it also supports RF copy and repeat, allowing you to control RF-enabled devices such as curtains, roller shutters, garage doors, and more. The Tuya Smart Remote Control is incredibly easy to install and connect to the Tuya Smart app on your smartphone. With just a few clicks, you can remotely control your home appliances from anywhere, at any time. Imagine being able to switch on your air conditioner in advance and coming home to a comfortable temperature, all with the tap of your finger on your phone. But that's not all. This device also supports voice control through intelligent speakers like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. With the ability to customize buttons in the app, you can easily control your home appliances, even if your brand is not on the list or not supported. Now, you might be wondering, why choose this product? Well, with the Tuya Smart Remote Control, you can say goodbye to using multiple remote controls for each of your home appliances. This one device can take care of it all, making your life so much easier and more convenient. So, if you're ready to take control of your home appliances and simplify your life, I highly recommend checking out the Tuya Smart RFIR Remote Control Wi-Fi Smart Home Infrared Controller. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations on smart home devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.